Rajans is a very aspirational brand, you know, for me to be associated with so early on in my career. I think बहुत लोगों को ये opportunity इतनी जल्दी नहीं मिलती है, and I've been very fortunate, but also because early on in my career, and they as well are growing right now. The business is booming, and they're coming into a lot of different things. So to grow along with each other, you know, was a good prospect for the both of us.
12,000 से ज़्यादा हमारी कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयज़ है और हम टेक्सटाइल, रियलिटी, हॉस्पिटैलिटी और एंटरटेनमेंट के क्षेत्रों में काम करता है। हमारी टीम में बहुत ही पैशनेट लोग हैं।
The vision from Mr. Jayesh Desai, who's the chairman of Rajans Group, was very clear. One, he left it to us to kind of come up with a thought which would really elevate his company to the next level.
The client told us very clearly that Rajans is not a brand which is going to just hang on with a personality or a celebrity and then go away after some time. It's going to be here for you and here for the customers. So we thought of doing something which is not just attention grabbing, but also it has got some content which is relevant and focused towards the brand.
राजहंस इसका जो टैगलाइन है वो है विंग्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। तो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड आई थिंक देव कम अप विद अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट विद एंजल विंग्स एट द बैक, एंड इट जस्ट बोलते हैं ना कि अ पिक्चर स्पीक्स 1,000 वर्ड्स, यू नो। तो आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट, इट एक्सप्लेन्स एवरीथिंग ऑन इट्स ओन।
We've done 4 major sets, and then the rest of them are composites on a grey background. So yeah, but it was a great experience, you know, getting it done fast and making sure that we have a good turnaround time.
Something which we said, let's not do the regular celebrity stuff, you know, where you capture her 3/4 and then plaster her all over, but kind of create a concept around it where people look at the photograph and say, hey, what's this? You know, and there's a very subliminal message that comes to it.
The red outfit which was with the angel wings at the back, that was one of my favorites. I think it was so beautiful, so fluid, so feminine, you know, and the quality that it brought out in the picture was something else. It was very, very nice.
भारतीय संस्कृति में हमें कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती है जिसमें परियाँ आके हमारी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ भर देती है। खुशियाँ देने वालों परी की कल्पना हमने हमेशा पंख के साथ की है। हम भी इसी तरह खुशियाँ बांटना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए द विंग्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस थीम को चुना है।
ये मेरा पहला आई थिंक बहुत ही एलैबोरेट कॉन्सेप्ट शूट है जहाँ पर बिकॉज इट्स हॉस्पिटैलिटी, तो हमने एक फूड स्पेशलिस्ट को बुलवाया था सेट पर, एंड वो बैठकर स्पगेटी के साथ मुझ पर ड्रेस बुन रहे थे, यू नो, एंड हैपनिंग लाइव इट सेल्फ। तो रिजल्ट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट माई सेल्फ, देखते हैं कैसा होगा, बट आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग वेरी वेरी यूनिक, बहुत ही अनहर्ड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट, यू नो, कोई ऐसा करता तो है नहीं। We're doing it for the first time, and I think we're very proud of that fact.
The beautiful part about the shoot today is to be able to shoot a lifestyle, to sell an emotion. It's all about a feeling. It's all about placing people in a situation where they can experience things. So it's all about telling them what they would experience.
there's been one film reel outfit and you know बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट था एंड जब पिक्चर में दिखाया था रेफरेंस तो you know लगा कि कैसे करेंगे ये वो बट स्टाइलिस्ट अमी शी पुट टुगेदर सच अ ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट मतलब एकदम एक ड्रेस की तरह ही लग रहा था ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था कि कुछ आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स की है बट it was amazing and it was sturdy, it was you know nice to photograph. For their shopping complexes and all, we got a special dress stitched which had barcode on it. तो शूट करते टाइम कोस्टर मुझे कह रहा था कि डोंट गो इनटू एनी शॉप तुम्हें बेच देंगे कहीं पे क्योंकि the whole print was of a barcode and it looked lovely, it looked very chic.
We initially thought we'd make a gown out of shopping bags, and then we thought we should create a shopping bag on her, and then finally we just did this really beautiful fitted peplum dress with barcodes on it, and it was practical, it was non-drama, but it was still very elegant and impactful.
मुझे नहीं लगता ये कभी पहले अटेम्प्ट किया गया है for any shoot in fact.